And he's sitting there. Oh, I'm on no one's team. I would try that, but Andy would steal my stuff.
Instantly, I fucking fall.
You need someone else to press the button for you, so you can be like laying down. You never press the button right. Probably like freaks out. He's like, oh my god. Oh.
No, it just pulls out. Okay.
That's what she said. Well, you need someone standing there to make sure if you ever get hurt, you can pull out the key so you don't have to hold the key.
Just don't hold on to the key and
I'm
try and
just gonna
scramble
stick
to
this
get it.
Oh,
That was cute.
not a good idea.
Bitch! Bitch, sir. Ah! Ass rapist! Oh. Oh, no, not better, man!
Wait. No, I'm gonna throw it on top of
No,
him.
no, I wrecked my leg. Oh, shit. Mama, don't go up to sand, it's dangerous. Like the pillows got like fucking raped. From poopcars.com.